Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and I wanted to show you this really cool, really cute makeup collection that I received from Pixi. They're doing a Hello Kitty collaboration, and I think those products are really high quality. I'm gonna show you what I got and how I'm using them. I'm really excited, and let's get started. So there are two products that are sprays that I want to show you and talk about them. You can see this adorable package with Hello Kitty, and I have here Hydrating Milky Mist, which is a must-have for winter when it's like cold air outside. Inside there's heat that dries out skin during the day, and daily moisturizer, evening moisturizer is not enough. So I was really excited for this one. I'm gonna use it right now. It has hyaluronic acid and oat acid hyaluronic and avoine. It's soothing. Let's see how it works. I actually applied it over makeup during the day, and it was fine. It's really fine mist, or at least I got lucky with this bottle. Let me show you. This is limited edition and really cute package. So as you can see, it's really fine mist. It's not large drops. I really like that. It means that I'm not going to be like wet, but it's so pleasant and refreshing on my skin. Please guys, if you are looking for something like that to fix your hydration during the day, this is perfect. Feels great. And then I want to show you the large palette Hello Kitty. It came in this box. I'm gonna show you. This is really large. When I saw this, I was like, whoa, this is it's gonna last for such a long time. For some reason I thought it would be smaller. And again, Hello Kitty Anywhere palette, multi-use palette. So this palette includes several items. There's a little lesson, I believe, on the package, and this is actually the founder of the brand, Pixi. Natural palette that will give you a gorgeous lit from within luster. This is exactly what we're looking for, something natural and just elevates us in winter or any other season. Natural touch of warm glow or healthy hue. Let's see what's inside. This is the box. Real pretty. And you have here the palette called Softness, and it has cute, subtly sun-touched, peachy, soft, rose dew, and summertime. I think the idea of this palette, it has a huge mirror if you need this. The idea of this palette is that you can use it pretty much anywhere you want. Your cheeks, something like subtly sun-touched can be used as a slight bronzer, contouring. You can use it as an eyeshadow. Let me try to use it to do kind of a complete makeup. So what I would do is I would probably put cute on my eyelids. I can use a brush that I have here to show you guys. This is really large palette for those who are looking to buy something that lasts. This is really pretty. This is like a really subtle kind of glow. It's not very pink. It's more even, it has that pleasant silver shade undertone that will look really good on people with cold complexion, or if you want to look a little wintry. And yeah, it's subtle, but it really elevates my eyelids. So what I could do also is I could use I guess peachy over my eyelids. or subtly sun touched. That's also an option. If you want a more contrast, I would use subtly sun touched over here. So this was the first one, cute, and this is the second one for like a little contouring, a little. It's also very, very subtle, almost like nude makeup for everybody who likes that. I could probably try this summertime to get a stronger effect. They're all very shimmery and there's not a lot of like strong bold coloring here, but it does the trick. So it does this subtle like brownish around my eyes, and when the light hits the eyeshadow palette, it actually is illuminated. I don't know if you can see, really, really subtle. So then I'm gonna take a big brush. I'm gonna do Sadly Sun Touched on my cheeks. You can see a little bit of contour. Yep, this is so nice. Look at this. This is very, very natural. You put some on your nose too. So this Sadly Sun Touched, it does not have any shine, or it's not shimmery. But what I could do to add some shimmer is to use this one, Rose Dew. This is very shimmery, what it looks like. You can see a very subtle glow, very natural, very nude makeup. Very cool. I like this. I would recommend this for fair skin when you actually don't want to put like too much product or have product looking like a dark spot on your face. I have a fair skin, so it looks good. This will also look good on darker complexions. Is specifically the shimmery and glittery colors here will stand out on, you know, the darker complexions, because everything metallic and shiny always looks better. If you have darker skin, it stands out more. But this is, I really like this. This is like everyday nice palette. So let me try. I'm gonna take Peachy and add it to the center of my eyelids and see what happens. This is more golden color. And actually I would put it here under my eyebrows for the glow effect. A little bit on the top here in the corners of my eyes too, a little bit of shine. And you can add some here. This is very subtle, as I said. This is my main word to describe this makeup collection. I'm very happy because this is like, this looks like I almost have no makeup, but it actually looks so good. I look so fresh. Yep, so I hope you like this and use this on your face, especially if you have light skin. And now the time to use the next product from Pixi Hello Kitty. This is Makeup Fixing Mist. So in summer, it's great when you are, you know, it gets hot and makeup kind of starts to move places. And then in winter, I guess if you're walking in the winter wonderland, winter storm that actually just happened today, it can help your makeup stay on. And even for holiday parties or get-togethers when you need your makeup to stay on for a long time, this is great. Let's see. Okay, so this one. I'll be honest with you guys, this one is not as fine mist as my Hydrating Milky mist. This is larger drops in my view, but it's still, just let it dry out. I don't know if you can see, but this is larger mist, larger drops inside the mist, so be careful with it. You don't need a lot, just a few spritz all over your face, and it's gonna take care of your makeup for some time. It has rose water and green tea. I like rose water. I like rose and all cosmetics and skincare that is made with rose. I also like rose smell and fragrance. So all over setting mist prolongs makeup wear and keeps it from moving, melting, or settling into fine lines and pores. This is what happens with my eyeshadows all the time. They sit in my fine lines around my eyes over time. So it also comforts, preserves, and increases hydration, balances skin for a fresh face. Shake well before use, close your eyes, and mist over face and neck for all skin types. I really like it. I gotta say, even though it's large drops, at least in my bottle, it does help makeup stay on. I already tested it before. Yeah, I like it and can recommend it. And then we have one last product, which is Hello Kitty glowy powder here. Let me see. This is a highlighter, I think. I open it. Really cute, really round, and it has a Hello Kitty shape on it. So this is looks very subtle glow again. And let us see how it works. I already sprayed the makeup mist, but still, I'm gonna use the mirror from my eyeshadow palette and see. So I'm gonna be adding this glow up here. Oh wow, this is noticeable highlighter. Non-glittery, non-shiny, looks natural again, but it does have a lot of shine in it. Yeah, my cheekbones are now very illuminated. And I would say this is like a colder, fair complexion color in my view. It's called Sweet Glow. I think they might have another colors too. I'm not sure, but this is perfect if you have fair complexion and cold color palette of your face like I do. They might have warm colors as well. Hello Kitty, very cute, and just finishes the whole look. Very fresh, glowy, natural nude. Sometimes you don't have to contour your face too much. Sometimes you have to add highlighter to it, and that is enough because it makes your other parts that are not illuminated look darker, That way you achieve the contouring effect that is a lot more fresh sometimes than tons of bronzer, tons of contouring products. So I could definitely say that it helps you sculpt your face, but in a very gentle, very natural way. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you like the products and you might get them. The links are in the description. Thank you so much, and subscribe for more makeup reviews and advice.